Your air is dirtier than you think. But today, we're revealing the top 5 air quality monitors that'll turn your home into a fresh air fortress. From radon detection to wildfire alerts, discover which gadget deserves a spot on your shelf. Let's clear the air. Number 1. The Safe AirNet 4 Home is your go-to wireless air quality monitor for effortless, real-time insights. This compact device measures temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure with precision thanks to its NDIR sensor technology crafted in the European Union for premium quality. Featuring a power-efficient e-ink display and a battery life of up to 4 years on alkaline power, AirNet 4 is truly cable-free and portable. Its color-coded alerts and optional buzzer instantly signal any concerning air quality levels, so you can take action. Plus, the interactive smartphone app lets you review up to 90 days of historical data, empowering you to make smarter ventilation decisions, whether at home, in a classroom, or on the go. Breathe easy with AirNet 4, the ultimate companion for a healthier environment. Number 2. Meet the GovaLife Smart Air Quality Monitor, a versatile sensor designed for fast, accurate readings. This sleek, modern device keeps tabs on dew point, temperature, and humidity, refreshing every 2 seconds to provide real-time data right when you need it. Its switchable display lets you toggle between clock mode and air quality readings, while its LED indicators clearly reveal the ambient conditions. Connect seamlessly with the Govee Home ecosystem to control smart appliances based on your indoor environment and enjoy free data storage with up to 2 years of historical data. Perfect for both home and office, this monitor's Type C powered design ensures reliable performance. Stay ahead of pollutants and feel confident about the air you breathe with GovaLife's smart, interactive solution. Number 3. The TempTop Air Quality Monitor is an all-in-one powerhouse for tracking multiple air pollutants. This versatile device measures PM2.5, PM10, formaldehyde, VOx, temperature, and humidity with state-of-the-art electrochemical sensors calibrated for high accuracy. Its clear, user-friendly display provides a quick snapshot of your air quality, while the built-in histogram function displays 12 hours of trend data, making it simple to monitor changes over time. Data export options allow you to save vital readings for an in-depth review, perfect for those keen on tracking environmental shifts. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, TempTop combines durability with precision, ensuring reliable performance over long-term use. With its portable, battery-powered design, this monitor is ready to move wherever you need clean, safe air. Number 4. Step up your indoor monitoring with the AirThings 2960 View, plus a smart battery-powered radon and air quality monitor that delivers comprehensive data on PMCO VOx, humidity, temperature, and air pressure. This always-on sensor features a minimalist design with an e-ink display for power efficiency and clear readability. Integrated seamlessly with the AirThings app, View Plus provides live updates and trend analysis, empowering you to take proactive steps for better air health. A standout feature is its precise digital radon detection, crucial for safeguarding your family against one of the top lung cancer risks. Perfect for home, office, or school, this device offers continuous, reliable monitoring without the clutter of cables. Trust AirThings 2960 View Plus to provide clarity and control over your indoor environment. Number 5. The AirNight 10-in-1 Indoor Air Quality Monitor is the ultimate portable sensor that brings advanced air quality analysis to your fingertips. Measuring a broad spectrum of pollutants, including PM2.5, PM10, VOx, and formaldehyde, it showcases everything on a large, easy-to-read LCD screen. Designed for plug-and-play convenience, this unit is powered by a robust 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium polymer battery, making it ideal for on-the-go monitoring. Its intuitive interface and pre-calibrated sensors deliver real-time data to help you quickly assess and respond to any air quality issues, especially during events like wildfires. With extended warranty options and user-friendly instructions, Airknight ensures you're always in control, whether you're at home, work, or traveling. Stay informed and breathe clean with this all-around air quality champion. Your lungs deserve the best. Smash like, subscribe, and tap those product links below to grab your Air Guardian. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep breathing easy.